A very cheerful morning to my royal stars. I hope you all are doing very nice work. Yes, students, let's revise this topic again. Reverse counting from 100 to 81. Okay? Do you know beta reverse counting means? Reverse counting means उल्टी गिनती, जिसे हम हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? उल्टी गिनती. You can also say backward counting. पहले आप 1 to 100 काउंटिंग स्पीक कर रहे थे और डायरेक्ट काउंटिंग स्पीक करते हैं. ओके, इसे हम क्या स्पीक करते हैं? रिवर्स काउंटिंग, जिसमें हम बैक जाते हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. स्टूडेंट, यू हैव टू लुक एट द मूवमेंट ऑफ माई हैंड केयरफुली कि मैम कैसे राइट कर रहे हैं. चेक द स्टेप पॉइंट टू पॉइंट. ओके, फर्स्टली यू हैव टू स्पीक व्हाट इज दिस 100 बिफोर. बैक जाना है हमने. 100 बिफोर. स्पीक 100 बिफोर 99. राइट हियर. आपने 0 के नीचे ही राइट करना है, 1 के नीचे नहीं राइट करेंगे. मेक अ स्टैंडिंग लाइन, टर्न एंड मेक अ राउंड लाइक दिस. 90. वट विल बी यूज फॉर 90? 90 के लिए 9. राइट अगेन 99. राइट हियर 9. Make a standing line, turn, allow. 99. 100 before 99. इसी तरह आपने अगेन एंड अगेन बैक जाना है. 99 बिफोर 98. राइट हियर फॉर 90 के लिए 9. राउंड लाइक दिस. लुक एट द मूवमेंट ऑफ माई हैंड. 98. राइट इन फुल बॉक्स. ओके, put your pencil here like this. Turn round, go slant and touch. Again turn, cut and touch. 98. 99 before 98. 98 before 97. Speak and write. Make a standing line, turn and round. 97. Sleeping line, little bit more slant. 97. Next 97 before 96. Make a standing line. What will we use for 90? Turn like this. 9. Round like this. 96. Put your pencil here, little bit slant and turn like this. Fold. 96. Next, go before 96 before 95. Make a standing line, turn. आपने ऐसे ऐसे बैक जाना है, सेम एज इट. 95. Look at the movement of my hand. Make the sleeping line, half standing line and semi circle. Write in full box. 95. बॉक्स से आउट नहीं करना आपने. नेक्स्ट 95 before 94. Make a standing line, turn, round. 94. Make a standing line, go slant and sleeping line. 94. Next 94 before 93. Make a standing line, turn, round. 93. Sleeping line, go slant, move back and turn. 93. Next 92. Like this. 92. Put your pencil here, round, go slant and sleeping line. 92. Next 91. 92 before 91. Small tail and go. Make a standing line. Speak again. 100 before 99. 99 before 98. 98 before 97. 97 before 96. 96 before 95. 95 before 94. 94 before 93. 93 before 92 and 92 before 91. Now come to the next line, that is 90. 90 before 89. What will we use for 80? 80 के लिए 8. Look at the movement of my hand. Put your pencil here and turn, go slant, round, touch this line, turn around, cut and touch. 89, make a standing line, turn and round. 89. Next, 89 before 88. Put your pencil here, turn, go down slant, again turn, touch this line, round, turn, cut and touch. Look at the movement of my hand. 88. Again write down 8. Same as the formation. 88. 88 before. 88 before come 87. Right here 87. Like this turn. Go down, round, cut and touch. 87. Make a sleeping line. Go slant. 87. Next 86. 87 before. What will come before 87? 86. Turn, go down slant, round, cut and touch. 86. 86 before. 85. Write down 86 before 85. Like this. Next 84. 85 before 84. Because standing line, go slant, sleeping line. Okay. Next 83. 84 before 83. 83. Look at the movement of my hand. Okay. 83. Sleeping line, go slant, move back and semicircle. 83. 82. Put your pencil here. 83 before 82. Speak and write. 82. Turn, go slant, sleeping line. 82 before 81. Like this. 81. Small tail and make a standing line. 81. The student, you have to speak and write and check the formation carefully. Write in proper formation. Your work should be neat and clean. Thank you, student. Have a good day.